Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the TikTok photo swipe not working. If you are experiencing issues with TikTok's photo swipe not working, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to address the problem. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. Once you get into its app, tap the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now, from your profile, tap on the three lines from the top right corner, and then choose the settings and privacy option from here. Then scroll down in settings and privacy and choose report a problem from here. Now here you will find many options, so scroll down in the report section as well. Choose the account and profile option from here. After that, tap to edit profile and choose the other option from here. Then you go into the need more help option to report a problem. Now you need to explain your problem in detail. Like, I am currently missing the photo mode option on this account, and I need this to be fixed. After describing your problem, tap to submit it. Now that your support ticket has been submitted, it will take some time to get fixed. But once it gets fixed, tap on the add icon from the bottom bar. Then click on the upload icon and select multiple photos you want to add. After selecting the photos, tap on next. As you can see, now your swipe photos option is working well. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.